so that way they come closer to you. Can you share with Vivian?
Let's get down here for a chicken eye view.
Vivian, can you take some? No, we're all done. Now, why don't you try and catch a chicken?
Catch a chicken.
Can you catch one?
Catch a chicken.
Vivian, go catch a chicken.
Catch a chicken, Vivian. You want me to get something for you?
Vivian,
Stay over here, kiddo.
Come here.
Those chickens got away. Look at these. They're still eating.
Vivian.
Look. Come here. Victor, catch a chicken. Watch this.
Catch the black chicken?
Watch this. Victor, it's your turn. Get those. Yeah! Oh, you'd be dead. You'd be dead.
That's why we leave the net.
I think we're just tormenting your chickens.
Well, you pretty much have to catch them with a net. As long as you can get them in the corner.
Yeah, well, now we scared them all away now.
Food, chickens. There's food over here. Come back.
I promise.
Come back. Come back. Vivian, say come back. Go,
Go catch them.
go catch him, Victor.
Chicken.
There's one smart chicken left. He's got the food all to himself now. Whoa! You're okay. Watch where you walk, kiddo.
I saw you fall down. That's okay. You're okay. Let's go like this. You know what? We'll wash him in as soon as we get in. Where's Victor? Yeah, you have mud.